Guys, we found this spot yesterday. Yesterday we didn't vlog anything, so yesterday we just spent time with each other. And we found this spot. It's amongst the forest. It's in between the forest, and there's a road nearby. It's like a rough road. It's not. It's like a unpaved road. It's a very beautiful spot. There's forest all around, and there are sounds of birds and insects and all that. It's very nice, very peaceful. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to just take out our washroom tent. We'll both use the washroom and we'll also take a shower, Selena and myself. We'll do all of those things. And then after that, we'll cook something. We'll cook misal pav. In the morning, we went shopping. We got all the ingredients to cook misal pav. We'll cook that after we set up everything. Guys, Selena and I, we've both used the washroom. Now, I'm going to take a bath first. So, Selena's just getting the water ready. We're just heating up the water slightly, not too much. And I don't require much water also because I'll be taking a sponge bath. So just wet a towel and then wipe the full body. Guys, unfortunately the forest officials came and they asked us to move from here. Apparently it's not allowed to camp here. But we didn't know that because there was no notice or no signboards or nothing. So we thought it's allowed. So that's why we set up camp over here. Anyway, we'll move. We'll search for another spot and we'll continue there. I'll take a bath over there and we'll cook. Everything we'll do over there. And also one more thing I want to tell you that this place, before we came, there were some people who came here, I think last night after we left, and they drank alcohol and they threw their bottles and stuff over here. We'll probably clear that up and then we'll leave from here. What to do now? If they are not going to clear their own stuff, we'll only have to clear it. What to do? No option. Otherwise the forest officials will come, they'll blame us for putting all that stuff over there. Okay? So we'll clear this area up, we'll pack and then we'll leave. So we left that place where we were earlier, and we've like driven for around 15 minutes. I don't know how far, and we found this spot. This is also quite peaceful. There's not many people around. Few bikes are parked on the other side of the road over there. But other than that, it's nice. So we'll continue whatever we left off over there. We'll continue it here. I'll take a bath and all, and then we'll cook. And then if we have time, we'll go and we'll go to some viewing point, and we'll show you the viewing point. Guys, done with my head bath. Now body I'll do in the tent. After that Selena will do hers. She'll wash her hair and she'll do the same thing. And then after that we'll cook. Chalo. Recently I purchased this Digitech DWM109 microphone. And I don't know why I'm not able to control the gain. Like the gain is by default set very high. This is why I'm wearing it low, not very close to my mouth. I can't control the gain. If any of you guys know how to lower the gain on this microphone, please let me know, because that will be very helpful.
Did you want to see the level? Let me put this copy over it and see the water level.
I have an app on my phone to do that for me.
What app?
Level meter. For those of you who are new to our channel, this is our camping setup. This is our house on wheels. We have a bed, we have a kitchen. We stay in the van. Whenever we go outstation, we live in our van. So if you're interested in this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please go ahead and like the video. If you've missed our van conversion video, you can click here on the link.
Garam masala, misal masala, jeera, ginger garlic, coriander.
Misal masala is there?
Yeah, Kashmiri chili.
I didn't need this actually. Okay, we bought it.
We bought it from Bombay only.
We'll use it.
What else is needed?
Okay, I need chili powder. I need this misal masala. That's it. I don't need this garam masala. I can put away the garam masala. A gentleman by the name of Vikas Balaji commented on one of our videos, and he wanted me to do a full tank test for the mileage. Means full tank to full tank. But unfortunately, we've not done a very long trip where we would like use a full tank on the highway. One of my cousins from Bangalore, he recommended that I install one of those rooftop tents from Decathlon. But the reason why we didn't go with the rooftop tent is because it makes it kind of obvious that we are living in a van or on top of the van. It makes it kind of obvious. And what we do is kind of like stealth camping. Like, we just, in fact, whenever we park, I don't even exit the van. I like put up all the window blinds, and then I enter from the front itself. I crawl into the back, and then we sleep. So putting a rooftop tent doesn't make sense for our purpose, because we do this quite often. It's not like once in a while and then we go to a campground, a proper camping ground and all that. We go to places which are unexplored, and in India, very often there are no signboards telling us that it's private property or government property, and there are not many campsites in India. So doing it this way makes more sense. We can access more places without making it obvious that we are car camping, which is why we didn't put a rooftop tent. But otherwise, I say in other countries it makes a lot of sense, other than in India, where there are a lot of permitted, government-approved camping grounds, then it makes sense. But in India, I don't think so.
You need the cooker?
Yeah, making it in the cooker. One more thing I wanted to tell you is that one of my friends, his name is Kevin, he recommended some modifications to the car. And not only him, a lot of other people have also recommended modifications. Even I like modifications actually. I like to in fact I wanted to put a spoiler on the car because it looks really good. But the problem is that we want the car to look very simple and plain. We don't want it to stand out. We want it to look like a taxi, because this van, eco van, is used as a taxi all over India. So which is why we didn't do any modifications. Also, some people have said change the lights, put brighter LEDs and all that. All that now is all illegal. So if the cops catch, we'll have to pay a fine. So just to avoid all of that, I have not even installed fog lamps. Without fog lamps, I'm driving. I have not seen any need for it. When the need arises, if needed, I'll install it. We'll see. I'm just trying to make the car look very bare bones on the outside. It shouldn't look like a camper van. It shouldn't. That's why we don't have any graphics or any stickers or any of our channel branding or anything on the car. That's the reason. And I like to keep it that way as well, because safety is also important, Too good. Better than any hotel. Super. Guys, it's getting dark. The time is... My stopwatch is running. I can't tell you the time. What is the time?
5:40.
5:40 p.m. And it's already becoming cold. I mean, it's getting chill. After I finish now, I'll just wear my jacket and all of that. So we're ending the vlog over here. After this, we'll be going to our usual spot and spending the night over there, because it's very safe and we're very comfortable over there right now. So we'll be driving back. How far is it? 15 minutes, 20 minutes? Not very far away.
12 minutes maybe.
12 minutes away. So we'll go there. And if you stayed so long and watched the video till here, thank you very much. And that means a lot to us actually. The more you watch, the better it is for us. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow on our next adventure. Bye.